So we just finished the concrete, feathered it down away from the wood shop towards the stone. So it should run right down through there. It might sit in there a little bit, some, but not much. And no leaves are going to be collecting in there, no debris. So this should, I don't think this stone will be moving much. It doesn't seem to move at all when you step on it, and it's been here for many years. So I don't think the concrete will break much. Plus it's the reinforced fiber stuff and sticks really good. It's a high, not sure what they do, but they put extra stuff in it to make it stick even better. Maybe less sand. Okay, so time to move on to the windows and other molding. Going to go finish up the other one, and then we'll take the shutters off this one and start that one. Plus we got the door molding to do. Need to do the door molding and the window moldings before we do the others. And we can start thinking about what we're going to do on top here.